Hello everyone. I keep getting quite a few comments about my keyboard in my videos since it's usually in the background when I shoot videos in my office, so I figured I'd just make a short video today just showing it a bit more for you guys. I got this like a year and a half ago from AliExpress, and it's just a generic keyboard really. There's a logo right here, but I don't know what brand that is. Basically it's a metal backplate, which I really like since I don't really like plastic materials. It gives it more solidity and kind of a more of a premium feel. And it has these round keycaps, which I was a bit worried that I wouldn't be able to get used to coming from a usual, square keycap keyboard, but I actually got used to them pretty quickly, and it's just very easy to write with, to type with rather. There's also this nice orange backlight, which is the reason why I got it really, because I really like black and orange as a colorway. They also had some other models. I believe there was white with like a multicolored backlight. So yeah, they did have a couple more options. I will link the seller I bought it from down in the description, although I'm not sure if it's still in stock, so you have to check that out. But if it's not, you can just as easily find similar products just searching for these keywords. This is just like a steampunk retro vibe kind of thing. And yeah, I've been enjoying using this. It doesn't have a lot of clickiness to it. There is quite a bit of travel time, but I wish it was a bit more clicky. It also, as you see it right now, this is just a solid state color. And now the options, let me see if I remember, you had like FN and scroll lock. Yeah, that turns off the backlight and that turns it back on. If you then FN and home, yeah, that makes it breathing kind of. Not sure if you can get that on camera, but it's in a breathing state. I always like to keep it just like that though. And then you also have FN and page up and page down to increase and reduce the brightness level. I just keep it on full brightness usually. So yeah, I can recommend this keyboard if anyone's looking to find something similar. It's quite small actually, as you can see. It takes up the whole plate kind of. There isn't really much bezel going around, and yeah, it's held up pretty well. Just a quick look here, you can see actually some more info, although it's in Chinese. So, and it also has of course these usual things to prop it up, which I usually keep them on to have just a little bit more angle to type on. So yeah, this was just like my attempt to go for a cleaner, minimalist aesthetic in my office, on my office desk. Just a quick look around here. I have my Urbaneers Stamen speaker, which is really very good. I have another model like that, but in green at home. Just this black fabric throughout, which I really like. I also have this black Lego brick, which is meant for storage of the things I don't use so much. A simple wooden black clock. I also got it from AliExpress with that nice red light. You can get these in different color combinations, of course. And over here I also have like a simple phone stand. Incidentally, the the mouse mat, this was also from AliExpress or eBay, I think. It's just one of those color changing ones, and Before that I had this one, which is now just here with a world map. The mouse is an HP Omen 600 model. I have an HP Omen laptop and I got this to use it with the laptop, but I ended up preferring the Razer Death Adder Elite because I had that before, so you know, but it's a pretty good mouse and I've been using it for like over a year now at the office, no problems. I have a simple perpetual calendar there, which I got at a flea market and I've kind of grown fond of it. Back here, that's from Flying Tiger. It's just a simple keyboard brush and a little puncher and stapler, which I don't really use very often. A simple memo pad there, my wallets, and right here this is from Lids, I believe they're called. It's LHIDS. I think this was called the Mag Easy. It's very nice and minimalist desk organizer kind of thing. These are all modular, so they're all magnetic and you can arrange it as you like, and then you can attach things just with the magnets, which is very convenient. And yeah, I just really like the design of it. And that's basically it. That's my hydro flask. It's just a quick tour of my desk, I guess. Started off from the keyboard, but we've branched out a bit. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you found this interesting. I'll leave the link for the keyboard, of course, in the description. If you have any more questions, feel free to let me know. That's all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.